First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. You could also use a 9 by 9 inch square baking pan. Whatever you have on hand will be fine. Now let's dive into the cake batter. In a large mixing bowl, cream together half a cup of softened, unsalted butter and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Add 2 large eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in half a cup of sour cream and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra flavor kick. In another bowl, whisk together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this to the creamed mixture, mixing until just combined. The batter will be thick, but that's just what we want. Spread half of this batter into your prepared pan. Scatter 2 cups of fresh blackberries over the batter. Dollop the remaining batter over the berries, spreading it out as best as you can. Now we move on to the cinnamon caramel crumble topping. In a medium bowl, combine a cup of all-purpose flour, 2/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Cut in half a cup of cold cubed unsalted butter using a pastry cutter or your fingers until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Stir in half a cup of caramel sauce to create a moist crumble topping. Sprinkle this crumble evenly over the top of the cake batter. Bake in the preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Drizzle with additional caramel sauce before serving if desired. So there you have it, the perfect blackberry crumble coffee cake. This recipe combines the tartness of fresh blackberries, the moisture of a perfectly baked cake, and the crunchiness of a cinnamon caramel crumble topping. It's sure to impress and will make your taste buds sing. Enjoy baking and indulging in this delightful treat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Magnolia Moon Channel for more great recipes and soulful inspiration.